What's going on, guys? Anthony here from AO Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. We've got a revolutionary diet that I want to go over and discuss with you today. It's something that's been coming up in my inbox, it's been coming up in my feed, it's been coming up everywhere, and everybody's talking about this new diet. It starts with the C. Coronavirus. Yeah, that's it. The coronavirus. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's not really like a diet. It's more like a virus. Tell you what, the symptoms, man, like you're going to drop some serious weight really fast. I mean, check this out. Some of the stuff that it does for you, I mean, it's crazy. Fever, chest pain, chills, rapid heartbeat, breathing difficulties, pneumonia, and kidney failure. I mean, all those things combined, I mean, it sounds like some of the pre-workouts that we sell inside the store. Okay. Too soon for that kind of reference, I get it. But on a serious note, guys, we want to talk about one of the new revolutionary diets that's been around for a long time. It just seems like everybody's talking about it, and that's the carnivore diet. I feel like this is a good opportunity for us to talk about. Everybody who's anybody is talking about the carnivore diet. I think that it's just super easy to follow. For those of you that don't understand what it is, it's basically just eating meat. Grand scheme of things is you're just cutting out carbs. Completely cutting out carbs. But you're doing it in a way where it's just meat. Now, there are some people that are extreme and they're just doing 1 or 2 meat heavy meals per day. Literally waking up in the morning and having like 8 to 10 ounces of steak. And the only seasoning that they're using is gonna be salt. That's it. Like pink Himalayan salt or kosher salt. That's it. Which totally goes against everything that we've been taught and everything that we've learned for so long is like salt and meat. You're completely taking out all vegetables, completely taking out all carbs. So in reality, this is just an extreme keto diet or an extreme Atkins diet. Now, in the Atkins diet, there's a lot of things that you can incorporate. So the research that I've seen about the carnivore diet, it's an elimination diet. And most people that are starting the carnivore diet, it's because they have like severe autoimmune disorders or diseases, which it all comes from, plant-based food or processed foods. So the research has shown that this type of elimination diet, the carnivore diet, it's helped out so many people that struggle with eating normal food. And what they found is that the results were astounding. They found that it's working in other people besides people that actually really need it. It's working in people to lose weight, to lose body fat. Now, it's crazy. Like, you look in depth at one of the bigger celebrities that are supporting this or that are backing it is Joe Rogan. And over the course of 30 days, he just did meat. And he did add in like some eggs and maybe a little bit of cheese, things like that don't have carbs. He literally went no carbs for 30 days. And where like the scale showed that he lost 12 or 13 pounds, it's not a lot of weight, right? Somebody that's severely obese could lose 1 pound or 2 every single day over 30 days. The difference is you're losing body fat, not necessarily muscle and everything else. Like this is just body fat that's being lost. So if you look at the overall composition, you lose 12 pounds of body fat, that's going to change your physique drastically. So truth be told, guys, I'm neither for it, I'm neither against it. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that everyone's talking about it. So I decided I'm going to look into it myself. I've got a trip coming up in a week, so I literally have 7 days. I eat a pretty normal, like balanced diet to stay healthy. I'm going to run 7 days of the carnivore diet. My wife's going to run it. My 2 kids, believe it or not, they're going to try it. We've got a meal plan set up and all that. So I want to give you my honest feedback when I get back from the trip and let you know kind of where I was at. Now, obviously, like the goal is just to shred some body fat to look good on the beach, and that's what I'm going to use it for. You may use it for something completely different. You may have hit a wall, hit a plateau, and you just can't lose any more weight. And this is a way to just shock your system. This is a way to reset your gut flora and your biome inside. It's just a way to just flush all that stuff out. For vanity reasons, I'm going to do this for the next 7 days. Currently, right now, as of this moment, I'm weighing in at 201 pounds. I don't know. We'll see how it goes over the next 7 days. Let's see how much weight I lose. I will check in with you guys and let you know how it goes. And if this is something that you guys are into and you want me to put together a meal prep video that explains what types of meats you can have or the macronutrients and the breakdown between all of them, like I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. You just gotta let me know. Drop in the comments below if that's something that you would like to see. And if we get enough people talking about it, then you're just gonna force my hand and that's something I gotta do. I'm totally cool with that. So guys, that is it for today's video. Again, it was just my 2 cents on the carnivore diet, what it is, and just kind of reintroducing it to you guys if you haven't heard of it already. If you feel like this content was dope, please consider smashing that like button or whatever you're into there. Use whatever finger, toes, nose, whatever you need to use to smash that like button. We appreciate it. I don't know if you noticed or not, but see this graphic right here, the little spinny subscribe thing? Like, that's meant for you. That's meant for you. That's like a thing that says, hey, you should consider subscribing, so click the subscribe, and while you're there, click the little bell so that you always know when we post videos. That's how we stay connected, guys. All right, so again, I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support. We will see you on the next video, guys. You know what to do. Get out there and do something epic. Peace, guys. And then you see this little graphic right here that's popping up that says subscribe. Please check to see if you're subscribed. If you're not, well, let's go, baby. What are you waiting for? Let's get this. Let's get it. This and that.